Welcome to Yo SEO Tools, and thanks for watching this video. Here are the top 5 tricks to optimize your website and increase its chances of ranking on the first page of Google search results. Number 1. Keyword research and optimization. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the words and phrases your target audience is searching for. Optimize your website's content, including titles, meta tags, headings, and body text, with these keywords to improve its relevancy and visibility to search engines. Number 2. High quality and engaging content. Create high quality, engaging, and original content that provides value to your visitors. Google rewards websites that offer informative and relevant content with higher rankings. Use a mix of text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements to make your content engaging and shareable. Number 3. Mobile-friendly website. With the increasing use of mobile devices for browsing the internet, having a mobile-friendly website is crucial. Optimize your website for mobile devices by ensuring it loads quickly, has a responsive design, and offers a seamless user experience on different screen sizes. Number 4. Technical SEO. Pay attention to technical SEO aspects such as site speed, URL structure, site architecture, and XML sitemap. Optimize your website's code, image sizes, and server response time to ensure it loads quickly and is easy for search engines to crawl and index. Number 5. Link building. Build high quality and authoritative backlinks to your website from reputable websites in your industry. Backlinks are an important ranking factor in Google's algorithm and can help boost your website's credibility and visibility in search results. Remember, SEO is a long-term strategy, and it's important to stay up to date with the latest algorithm updates and best practices. It's also essential to create a user-friendly website that focuses on providing value to your visitors rather than just chasing search engine rankings. By following these tricks and continually optimizing your website, you can improve your chances of ranking on the first page of Google search results. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this information valuable for you, please like and comment your feedback, so we will be more motivated to bring more valuable and to the point knowledge for you. Please subscribe this channel to get more updates. Thanks. Sorry, one more thing, we also offers 100% free SEO tools. Go to www.yoseotools.com. Thanks.